Hey guys, welcome back to Alleviated Soul. So today was the day 17 of the 100 days challenge to building yourself as a brand. And today was really exciting day. I was very happy. So initially I woke up at 5 a.m. and had my water and did a 5 minutes workout because I did not had much time. Then I had taken a bath and I started to get ready because it was my first ever professional photo shoot. I just can't believe that happened. Oh my god. Okay, so initially I got ready like I don't know what to say. Okay, so after doing my workout, I took a bath and I started to get ready because I had to reach at 8 o'clock to the location. So it was a traditional wear. I was wearing a sari, so it takes a quite some time than expected to get ready. So I got like I had to leave at 7:45 to reach at 8 o'clock over there, right? So I bathed at 6 o'clock. Till then it became 6:30. Then I started to get ready from 6:30. There were so many like pinnings and all to do. I needed even my mom's help to wear me the sari because it was not like one sari wrap that I know very well to do. This was two saris that with one sari I had to make a skirt. Okay, so I made a skirt with one sari and with another sari overlaying that it will take the pallu and the remaining sari will be pleated and put into a bag. So that was the main what we had thought of, and that we did it. Okay, it really looked very beautiful, at least on the camera. I really love the pictures of that. After that we left. I had my breakfast and me and my mom left for the location. So we reached there at 5:10 like that, sorry 8:10, and the photographer was already there. And after that I got ready, like the other final touch-ups and all, like wearing earrings and all that I did after reaching over there. And then we started with the photo shoot. It was quite exciting. We had like 4 outfits I had planned, but due to like lightings and all, it was the outdoor shoot, right? So we could not complete on time. So I got 3 outfit shoots done. We went to different locations with it, one in a restaurant, one in a forest area, one on beach side and all. So photos really came pretty, I can say that. I saw them on the camera. They really looked very nice. The shots were very great, and that's how my that day came, like was completed. The day 17 was really great. It was the best day of my life, my first ever photo shoot. I was really happy and excited at the same time, but it really went great. Okay, so once that was done, I think we shoot finished by 6:45 because we were waiting for the sunset as well. So sunset photos also came really pretty. Though we were done by 6:45, then we came for home. I reached around 7:15 or 20, I think. Yeah, it was a great day. Quite from standing, I really started to feel tired by then. So I had my food and slept by 9 itself because I was really feeling very tired and my legs also started to pain from standing all day. But I had a very great time. So that's how the day 17 came to an end. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Until then, bye. Take care.